What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another Cut the Rope walkthrough. This time I will be walking you through the final level on Fabric Box of Cut the Rope, level 25. And if you did need help with any other levels getting walked through, I've actually made a separate video for every single level, just like this one here, and I made it in a playlist linked at the top of the description, so you can just click that and the playlist will have everything that you need for every walkthrough on every level to get 3 stars. As for this video though, we are doing level 25, so let's hop into there and I will show you exactly what you need to do. Alright, so jumping into this level here, you're going to pop the bubble right away, but you're going to keep the momentum going when the rope is at the top, because obviously it would go into Omnom's mouth. So right when you pop the bubble, just press the balloon super hard and fast, and it will just be swinging around the map, and it will get all 3 stars. Now here is the tricky part, is actually getting it into his mouth. You kind of have to use the bottom balloon there, because it is going to be sagging at the bottom there, and you really have to get it kind of like level 24 if you watch that one, to where it's right above his mouth, but not going to momentum into the side of the level. Just peacefully drop into his mouth as it hovers right over it, and you will get the 3 star on that level, and you will have now completed Fabric Box, getting a 3 star on every single level. Like I said, if you needed help on any other levels, that playlist at the bottom of the description. If you missed any of the Fabric Box levels, super helpful down there. Other than that though, thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, be sure to like and also subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.